This Monoprice 5.1 channel home theater set delivers a cohesive surround field with satellites, a dedicated center, and a powered subwoofer that genuinely fills a typical living room with sound. The compact satellite and center speakers use well-matched drivers that keep dialogue clear and effects crisp without taking up much shelf or wall space. Despite their small cabinets, the satellite and center speakers handle substantial amplifier power across a wide frequency range, so they stay composed at higher listening levels for movies and games. The powered subwoofer uses a downward-firing 8-inch cone with a solid amplifier and adjustable crossover, allowing you to blend bass smoothly with the satellites and tune it to your room. Connectivity is flexible, with both line-level and speaker-level inputs, plus spring-loaded terminals that make it easy to hook the system to modern receivers or older amplifiers. Thoughtful extras like wall-mounting brackets for the satellites and stabilizing feet for the center speaker make it straightforward to create a clean, theater-like installation.